So, if you really like to use your earbuds, earpads, eardots, or whatever you want to call it, then you're gonna need this stuff right here. This is the 3.5mm splitter with audio and mic input. Any available microphone you have in your house, like this Lavalier for example, and even this Zoom H5 audio interface, but we'll talk about that in a bit. And the most important is this Bluetooth transmitter with a 3.5mm connector. What is going on, everyone? Just a quick introduction. My name is Roland Uy. I'm a hobbyist doing more about gaming, all including gaming platforms, setups, peripherals, and the one I called gadget experiments, which I mean all the possible setup of these gadgets, mostly about connectivity, which is not the usual way. And this video will be one of those. Actually, I've been doing this most of my previous videos. You can check it out down in the description. If you're a gamer or also a hobbyist like me, I'm sure it will help you a lot as well. So without any delay, let's go ahead and start this video. Since the Xbox doesn't have any Bluetooth settings, this little device will do the workaround. Before we get to the main subject of this video, if you try to go to the Xbox audio settings, you might notice these options are grayed out. It's because there is no microphone or headphone attached yet. And we all know that these smartphone headsets right here will work just fine by just plugging it into the 3.5mm port at the bottom of your controller. And that's it. All the settings before will be enabled and you will be able to adjust everything. You just go to your Xbox menu, go to Parties and Chats, start a party, and as you can see, the circle around your avatar is blinking, which means it's already working. But wait, this video is not about this headset. We are talking about how to use your earbuds. Then comes this little genius right here. But we will not be able to do all of this without the help of this 3.5mm splitter. Just plug it into the port of the controller, then plug in the transmitter to the headset port. Just remember, in order for this to work, it needs to have its own supplied power. Then you just connect the USB connector that comes with this device to your Xbox USB port. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it will surely help my channel to grow and bring you more gears and gadgets videos like this, so I want to thank you all for your support. Now moving on to the video. In order to pair it with your earbuds, just press it twice, then you will see the LED light flashing, then put your earbuds on its pairing mode as well. Depending on the brand you have, I have here the Anker, which I will just leave the box open and it will turn on its Bluetooth automatically. And now as you can see, the LED light stops flashing on the transmitter. That means it's already paired. How about a little sound test? It's me again, Roland, and today I will take you through connecting the Xbox Series X to a Bluetooth speaker. I'm like one of those gamers who cannot stick with one setup for a longer period of time. I keep on changing it whenever I wanted to because I love doing it. Hello everyone, this is Roland Uy, and this is my Xbox One S gaming setup. And now if you are gaming and also need to use your earbuds, you just plug your lavalier microphone or your Zoom H5 on the microphone port on the splitter and check on the game setting we mentioned before on your Xbox if it's working. And also on the in-game voice chat of the Call of Duty Vanguard, for example. Now what will be the conclusion? You cannot consider now your Xbox controller as wireless because of these cables you have connected to it, but it will be very useful especially you don't have any gaming headphones around. It's not just your earbuds, you can also use any of your Bluetooth over-ear headset as well. And also, if someone is sleeping with you in the same room, or someone who doesn't want to be disturbed, you can use your available Bluetooth headset with you. As Bluetooth is not complicated about connecting two devices, just watch out for those incompatible ones. As we cannot say any brand for now, as I don't have a chance to try many, but even though these connectors or adapters will not break your bank, I would like to recommend to have it in your collection. Now some of you might ask, is there still any other way aside from this? The answer is yes. Instead of connecting it to the controller, connect the transmitter into your TV or monitor. It will function the same. For the microphone, just connect it directly to the controller. I know a lot of you will also ask, how about the microphone on the earbuds? Will it work? Unfortunately, it will not. It's because the dongle can only transmit audio signal and cannot be able to receive a signal back. Hopefully, there will be an adapter which can do both ways. Let's wrap it up for today. I hope you found this video useful or at least interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on notification as I'm going to make more gadget experiments like this one anytime soon. Thank you all for checking out this video today. I will see you again next time.